Okay, wait. Heroes will be what?
Ryan Zarya, Reaper, Widowbreak, Moirana.
Alright, well this is attack, so we go dive.
Oh yeah, that one. Don't look at what phase this is. That's
Phaerex? Phaerex,
What?
dive.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Panda.
We thought.
What?
Dive.
Oh, fuck!
Should we try the Genji Widow one or the Pharah Widow?
We
One
have
or
dive,
two.
which is number 1, and number 1 is help me a bit, Anne. I was confused.
Pharah.
Someone switch off the tabs. Who's ever
Can I
did-
go Zen instead of Anna?
No, you can't. Alright, you can.
Yeah.
But what's the healer setup then?
As in dive
Mercy
2.
Anna? Or Mercy Zen?
Mercy Zen. Like there's in dive 2.
Now I'm confused. Which one are we doing now?
Pharah
We have
Widow.
one, but
It's
the
Mercy Anna.
healers are dive 2.
Ah.
Oh, you're making me so confused, people.
Was that
I
what you
don't really have the mobility, so we're going Zen in this.
With Genji then, no not.
Genji, yeah, with Zen, we go with Genji.
Ah,
Why?
Because when he dives, he needs he always gets orbed. You orb him before he dives.
the Mercy is for the Pharaoh when we have a... So we still have a dedicated healer to hold the...
I think we have 1 point.
we don't have a strategy for actually doing stuff.
They're
They're
holding.
not right
I
top,
know,
let's jump right top.
I don't know,
Jump right
go
top to
ahead.
sort of get a new vantage point.
They're
I see
holding.
nothing. They're holding a back behind the point in that top thing.
Yeah, what's that Widow? She's
Let's
gonna
go
be
around
back up.
follow me, go around here, then we jump the platform. Alright, let's jump the platform. Jumping it in 3, 2, 1, jump.
Mercy low.
Yeah.
Simpukka is. Let's get that first tick, Simpukka.
I'm down.
Almost.
Macri on point. I'm dead. Macri half.
Fuck
Alright,
my
wait.
life.
Regroup.
Shit. That is a Felbert.
We should group up.
Yeah, group. And I think Anne's trying to.
I'm solidly trying. I couldn't get over the thing.
The thing, you know.
I'm not with you.
Oh, thank you.
Ooh, nice on Panda, I love you. Let's jump that thing again.
Okay, Mercy will rest.
I'm jumping it in 3, 2, 1, jump it.
I don't have Mac, so
I'm down. That was
Yeah.
really quick.
I don't know if we want to switch.
Ho, 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 ho.
to Reinhardt.
Yeah. Are we pulling back now then? Yeah, let's go back and regroup. Go back. I know this is a bit of a waste. I could swear I heard myself saying go back.
Alright.
I know this is a bit of a waste because of the ult.
7.
The goats it was.
Oh, okay. Either way.
Oh, then everyone has to change.
Alright.
What are we chaining up to? Evan?
Goats!
So you don't want Mercy anymore?
Just do it, Bruce.
Yes, I know we're losing stuff. We're complete. Let's go to points. Still going on points. Going on right side points. Doesn't really matter that much, I think. Just holding a point and go!
I'm trapped.
Eve on the right, Eve
down.
on the right.
I'm down.
Uh-oh. I'm dead. If you guys die, we can try one more time.
Yeah.
Full group.
Only just.
Where's the
okay.
stairs on that thing? Is that on the right behind? Is there the stairs?
Yeah, the right, yeah, and then you take an instant left from behind. There's the stairs
Yeah.
there.
Well, let's try that, shall we? I mean, just group up. Simpukka. Once we get, we're going right side on this thing. Once we cross it here, well, you know, the open space, you use your speed boost. And we go in
Okay.
on the stairs. 3, 2, 1, go!
McCree! Oh! Oh!
Well, on the upvote, I'm trying to see something positive here. We were really grouped up. You could really see that. Well, it was legendary in some kind of way. No, we lost it. Alright.
That would have been a great strategy if we'd just done it a little bit earlier, apparently.
Yeah. Alright, what do we got for the I have to look at switch alt tab again.
Ankh Wall.
Ankh Wall! Our famous Ankh Wall. It'll be our export product pretty quickly. Which is Ryan Zarya, Reaper, Widow, Brigitte, and Moirana. Wanna go? They won't know what hit him. It's gonna go. What was that? What was the famous Ankh Wall? And it just got obliterated. I didn't really even hear it that well. Just.
I was literally standing in front of him, about to hit it, and it went off before I could.
I said it only could have killed 5 of us if we were really together. So we're doing that very well. We're like the best.
This is being like recorded, so that's gonna go straight into the.
It's gonna be a clip. Yeah, you'll see it like in the streamer's clip. Voice and everything.
I kind of want to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From Junkrat's point of view.
This will be our moment of eternity. It's just
Like you can actually like hear the pain when that happened. I'm sure everybody like heard that like ah.
But you can see Bronny in chat using spectator. Whoa, and the other spectator too.
Or like have a compilation from different angles with like my voice in as well. Anyway, I'm just gonna hide you.
I'll go around this here.
I think they're right side.
Yeah. They got 3 tanks with Widow, with Winston I mean.
When did you jump?
I'm in trouble. I'm
I'm down. I got.
That wasn't supposed to happen with the Ankh Wall.
No.
Remember, like we have not got. We don't have the positioning down with it. That's a goat.
We thought this was sort of a combination between goats and anti-dive.
No, I think it's our issue is positioning. That's the thing. So let's try this again. You know what? Fuck. Let's until we get it right.
Where do we defend now? Not here. Around the corner here. They're goats. They want to get closed in. Using Reinhold if I can.
Monkeys use jump.
They use their Reinhold. I'm dead.
Okay, I guess we'll have to go anti-dive.
Anti-goats you mean?
Anti-goat, anti-guy.
Alright, switch it up. Anti-goats it is.
Anti-whatever we're facing.
You know that they're actually making progress. I say anti-goats and we all know what to do.
And it goes quite good for 0.3 on this anyway.
Yeah, just defend here in the second point.
That's the second point is further forward than you think.
Yeah.
It's there.
Ryan.
The monkey is just coming after me.
Right.
also be a great
There's only
backup.
3 people alive. Try to group up again.
Trying to get back.
Yeah. We don't have a chance to regroup with their comp. Because they just keep pushing.
Then
Well,
we
we-
can stay in spawn.
Yeah, we can stay in spawn and regroup. We got time. We're almost complete. Almost.
Right side.
We're complete.
He shattered me.
Monkey behind with me. I'm gonna die again. Still monkey with me.
I'm almost on him.
Lucio 1. Lucio down. Monkey.
Monkey discorded.
Running 2 off healers.
Monkey use jump.
Wait,
Zarya.
that's true.
Zarya inside 1. Zarya inside 1.
Do you wanna change Bruce into main healer when you die?
I'll go change now.
We get back and you're long.
I know, I thought we were holding there.
Winston's behind you, get back more.
Okay.
Yeah,
Well,
well,
I'm gonna. Alright.
Oh, sorry, shit.
Oh, sorry. No, we didn't have much time there to need to say that.
Bongo going down as soon as I get out.
I'm going down.
Again, don't touch monkey. Don't touch monkey.
Sorry, low.
Sorry.
Monkey's low, monkey's very low.
Yeah, they got
Right
fire.
side.
Oh, the Phaerex gonna be a pain in the ass. Pushing up the
Got
corner.
Pharah? Got Pharah. Panda, can you
Panda
be Widow?
discorded.
Yeah, sure.
Guys, can we push up?
Yeah.
Right. We're down now.
Behind on me.
Winston. Winston's left again. Don't touch him. He's 1. He's down.
I'm dead.
Farah at the end. Farah behind. Farah.
I go.
Oh. Oh, we got Widow now. Oh, dang it. Should be the other way around, Panda.
God, stop it.